Yo, it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today with another ADH Wealth Solution. Today, we'll begin to discuss fulfilling all of your financial needs. To contribute to channel growth, the links are in the description. To schedule an appointment of your own, or to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with no medical exam and an instant decision, my information is in the description. Lastly, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. And now, here's our next feature. Yo, it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today to whap and tap on your head with another ADH Wealth Solution. Today, we're going to take a look at one of my personal clients because I want to stress to you guys the importance of an annuity. So, to protect the innocent, obviously I have covered personal information. However, this is a recent product. So, before we go in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with an instant decision and no medical exam, or to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional, the link is in the description. As we proceed to give you what you need. So this is a client from the beginning of last year, and it's actually one of my smaller clients at under 100,000. So she has an initial premium of almost 90,000, 88,982, with the annuity option of a life annuity with guaranteed payments, 5 years unless another option is chosen by you. So the basis of the value, annuity 2000 table, and it's sex distinct. So basically, that means that based upon her needing at least $2,000 a month for life on her life expectancy, based on when this policy is set to pay out. And the policy schedule is at the bottom. Now, if you'll take a look here, the initial declared interest rate is 1%. Now, you can get different percentages up to some, I've seen up to, if I'm correct, Mass Mutual has, I believe, an incredible rate of almost 6%. And Lincoln Financial Group has, I think, 6% as well. But they're extremely expensive to get there. You usually need to come with $750K or better to get those type of rates. The initial guaranteed period is obviously going to be 1 year because that's the minimum that you have to be locked in to the policy. And the guaranteed minimum interest rate, meaning no matter what the market that this index traditional IRA is attached to, it comes at a minimum interest rate. And that plan is obviously here at a traditional IRA. Now, let's move forward. Okay, moving forward, actually, there's a little bit more here. So again, you see at the top, it says annuitant issue, age, and gender, 66 female, and the policy date is January 1, 2021. The maturity date, meaning when the policy is has to be absolutely paid out, would be the annuitant's 90th birthday, where they can no longer put into it or build onto it. And this, I don't know why you would accept it after 71 and a half, because there's this thing called RMD, required minimum distribution, and you should definitely remain there. So if you look at your basis of values here, again, that's the Annuity 2000 table, and the initial premium, or the initial amount of money that my client put in, again, was $88,000. So as you'll see here, this is a flexible premium deferred annuity. So annuity payments will be paid subject to the terms of this policy, because again, it is a life insurance product. Now, let's move forward. So there's always good and bad to certain products. So the beauty of this is it's an indexed 10. And what that means is for 10 years, you have to, if you're a certain age, you cannot surrender the policy without a fee. So a surrender means that, now well, here it says, we will impose a surrender charge on certain early surrenders. The amount of the surrender charge is a percentage of the amount withdrawn and is set forth below. So basically what that means is if you decide to cancel the policy before in year 1 or 2, you get an 8% surrender charge. 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, and 9 and above, you don't pay any surrender fee. Generally, that is also based upon your age. If you are 59 and a half or older and you still want to or are working and need to continue to save for retirement, or you're nearing retirement or are retired and want to save more money for the future, for example, if you're living off of a pension and you know that you don't have to take this money until you're 71 and a half, you might as well hold that money until you're 71 and a half. So when you're 71 and a half and your prior pension expires, you have this annuity which pays you until the day you die, and you didn't take from it. So cool. Let's continue to move forward. And these are other important documents that are going to be involved in all life insurance and financial transactions. And these are called policy documents. And these documents need to be signed by both the agents and you, the person who is purchasing the product, for it to be complete. The purpose of this is you have what's called a free look period, where you actually have the option, even after you've purchased the policy, to reconsider. And as you can see here, you're always going to have the agent's signature. And of course, I'm not going to show you the client's signature to protect the innocent, but I will show you a little more of the document. Let's move forward. So obviously we see here, you have the policy delivery receipt, and you should make sure that you always see that when you're signing those documents with your financial professional. And you'll also want to make sure that you see your policy number on the document when you're signing the documents with your financial professional. So we're taking a look here, and this was that table that was based on gender. So you also saw what was asking about depending on the option that you choose. So the default you'll see here is option 1, which is life annuity. And you can get it in a few different options, but they'll give you the 5-year certain. Remember, I always talk about period certain. So each monthly payment for each $1,000 accumulated in value, and that's what you calculate, the 2.68. You multiply that, and that will give you your monthly payment for 5 years, 10 years, or installment refund, or non-refund, right? Basically for the amount of time that you're going to get the money for. So the longer amount of time that you're going to get it for, the less money you're going to get per month. But the less time you get it for, the more money you're going to get per month. And again, it's going to be based on multiples of thousands. And obviously, the older you are, the higher the percentage you get is. Obviously, you'll have things like the actuarial basis. And to get, you know, 1,000,000% on that, it's a little difficult to do. You'd have to either start really young or put a bunch of money in there. At any rate, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with an instant decision and no medical exam, or to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional. The links are in the description. With that being said, wipe ass, work in progress every day, and see success. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute, salute, salute. Hey folks, this last video was sponsored by my company, where we help people like you to reach their financial goals. We do this through a simple conversation where we help to identify and then protect your lifestyle, and then we implement a plan. The process starts at about an hour. So, if you want more information, or you want to schedule a consult, contact me via the information in the description box, and let's talk and see if we're actually a great fit for each other. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Thank you, and enjoy life.